Good day to all. Today we are going to discuss our sample paper 2 for class 12 informatic practices. You know that your paper is for 90 minutes and of total 35 marks. The paper is again divided into 3 sections A, B, C. Section A will consist of 25 questions and you need to attempt only any 20 question. Section B will be of 24 questions and you need to attempt any 20 again. And section C will be a case study question which consists of 6 questions. Out of that you need to attempt any 5 questions and all these questions will be carrying equal marks. There is no negative marking. So let's begin. First question, series is what? These are the following options, whether one-dimensional, two-dimensional array, an array without index, or none of the above. What is the option for series? Series is what actually? Series is a one-dimensional array, whereas data frame is two-dimensional array. To create an empty series object, you can use which function? So pd.series, that's the function to create the series. If you are not passing any argument, then that is an empty series. So option C is the correct answer. You don't have to pass any of the values to create an empty series. To display the last element of a series object as 10, what could be you will write? Okay, you will write which syntax, or which code or which statement. It's already given 10 elements are there, so the series will be starting and the indexes are not specified, so default index we can think of starting from 0. Since 10 element, last index will be the 9, 0, since it is starting from 0. So to access the last element, what is the value of the statement? S of 9. Here S of 0 stands for the first element, S of minus 10 also stands for last element, first element. Why? Because when backward indexing coming, this is -1, this is -2 and so on, this will come as -10. So this will also represent the first element. What is the correct syntax to return both the first and second rows? Okay, you want to return the first and second rows in a pandas data frame. And what is the correct syntax? So df dot and inside that square bracket will not be asked. So this is a wrong. And with the lock method with the hyphen you cannot ask. So without like comma is a separator or colon when we are using for that slicing type. So these two all are we can skip out. From this what we have to use, A or D. So we are having 2 rows. So it should be those rows value should be in a list. So option D is the correct answer. What will be the output of the given code? Import pandas as PD. So you know that this is series is created and index with the given index and you were asked to print S of Deepika. So S of Akram, Brijesh. So this is Brijesh and this is Charu and this is Deepika and Ira. So 5 is Ira. So we are asked for S of Deepika. For S of Deepika, what is the value? That is 4. That is what is dash is the function to save the graphs. To save the graph, which among the following 4 options are the correct function? Save fig is the function. So what is the, we can see A is the correct option. To get the number of dimensions of a series object. So dimension stands for number of axes and for that we are having an attribute called ndim. Indexes will return the number of indexes of that particular not number, indexes of that particular series object. Size attribute will display the total number of elements. Item size will return the items in bytes, size in bytes. Okay. And in bytes, ndim will return the number of dimensions. So ndim is the attribute. And and the value, if you are asking that this is the series and what is that print s dot, if s is a series and if it is like print s dot ndim, what will be the output? It will be 1. If it is a series, ndim will be always 1. If it is a data frame, ndim will be always 2 because only 2 axes for data frame and only 1 axis for series. To check the object contain a nan value, the attribute used is hasnans. Hasnans will check return true if any of the values are none. If it is not there, it will return false. Okay. To display the last 5 rows of the series object, you may write tail is the function to return the last 5 rows, last 10 rows. Okay. And if the value is not passed, it will return the 5 rows by default. So tail function. Head function will return the first 5 rows. Okay. By default, the value is not passed, it will return first 5 rows. Or if the value is passed, it will return the number of rows passed as the argument. If a data frame is created using a 2D dictionary, then the indexes will be. So 2D dictionary means inside one dictionary, again, this will be a colon and there will be another dictionary. Okay. So what it will be doing, it will be like inner dictionary keys will act as the row indexes, whereas outer dictionary keys will be the column labels. And what all are the values will be the dictionary values. Stealing someone else's intellectual work and representing it as known as plagiarism, that is, it's a copyright violation or infringement. Which of the following is not a cybercrime? Scam, ABC, scam, phishing, child pornography, all these are cybercrime. And dislike a social media post, that is not a cybercrime. Okay, that's not a cybercrime. It's thus not a cybercrime. Which of the following is the type of software that has self-replicating? The term is given self-replicating and can cause damage to files and system. Worms are self-replicating software. These all comes under malwares. To delete a row from a data frame, you may use which function? We will be using the drop method. If it is column, you can use pop, del statement, and drop. And the del and the pop method will be deleting only single column. And with the help of drop, you can do the deletion of multiple rows or columns. Dash is a grant of inventors exclusive right to prevent others from manufacturing, selling, or importing certain product or service. Here, product of service is a term. So for that purpose, to protect that, we have to take the patent. And trademark is for the symbols, logos, brand names, and all. Copyright is for the artistic or content creators we are giving. It's asked for copyright infringement, which is not a violation. Okay. What is an example for an e-waste? What is an example for an e-waste? What is that? Old computer. Anything electronic things, that is that e-waste. Okay. Then which of the following function will produce a horizontal bar chart? The bar chart. Horizontal bar chart, you have studied two function, bar and bar. H bar chart will define the vertical bar chart. Here, since it is asked horizontal bar chart, the function is bar H. You and your friend are working together on an IT project. Your friend copies some of the contents from the internet and pastes it on in the project. Your teacher checks your project with plagiarism checker tool and finds that the project contains 45% plagiarized material. What is the conclusion of your teacher? Only your friend is guilty. Since only 50% of the content was copied, neither is guilty of plagiarism. Both have committed plagiarism as the evidence proves it. Since both have doing a school project, they are allowed to copy the content. Since even though the friend had copied, you also had submitted along same thing without changing that to the teacher. So you both have committed plagiarism because it's working as a team. Okay. Which argument of bar's function will let you set the thickness of the bar chart? To set the thickness of the bar chart, the attribute used is width. Width is the attribute of the bar chart which will increase the width of the bars. Prolonged and continuous use of technology may lead to internet addiction, sleeping disorders, loss of attention, and increased stress, and all of the above. All of the above is the option. Your best friend posted some photos on social media. She took with you on her birthday. However, you instructed her to remove the photos in which you are seen. Is it possible, and how would she do that? she will not be able to. She will take the photographs down from her social media post. She will hire a professional to remove all your photos from her account. She will track down everyone who viewed and copied the profile and remove the photos from their accounts. And she will never be able to delete such photographs since there may have been copied by someone else. So correct option is option B because digital footprints will be there. There's a chance, no, when in a click of a second, there may be chance another person may have copied your work, and from that it may move to one person to another. So she will not be able to completely remove that one. Which of the following is not a type of cybercrime? It's not a type of cybercrime. Data theft, identity theft, damage to data, they all are cybercrime. Installing antivirus for protection, that's not a cybercrime. It is to protect against unwanted access. Okay. Consider a code. This is the data frame given true, false, false, true. And what is this? Which of the following is used to create the above data frame? Created using series? Is it series? No. Is it created using the list of dictionary? No. Created using Boolean indexing or created using string? So since it is a Boolean indexing, so it's created using the Boolean indexing. CSV stands for comma separated values. Okay, comma separated values. PyPlot is the interface of Python's Matplotlib. It's a part of my Matplotlib library. Now moving on to section B. Okay. Write the command in the blank to obtain the given output. So you are asked to create the command import pandas as PD. A is data. S1 is equal to, this is a series. So S1 equal to PD dot series. A should be the data. A is equal A comma. In the index, you have to mention what all are these indexes. So which is the option? Option A is the correct answer. 27, assuming the given series and named salary. Series name is salary. And which command is used to increase the salary by 2000? So salary into 20,000, no, salary dot add 2000 you cannot do because we can do only with the help of series. If two series are there like that way, so option C is the correct answer. If you just simply add it, automatically vectorized operation will happen. To each element, it will add 2000. Ananya wants to store her term 1 marks in a series which is already stored in a NumPy array. Choose the statement which will create series with subject. Series you have to create with subject as index and marks as the element. So array is already there. Subject series 1 equal to PD dot series and marks are the comma index equal to subjects. Dash is a security device that can protect your network by filtering traffic and blocking outsiders, okay, from gaining unauthorized access to private data on your computer. That is firewall. Firewall is a hardware or software to remove the unwanted access. Observe the following figure carefully and identify the code for obtaining this output. Okay, so you are having your line chart is plotted, so X value and Y value is needed. So X value will be this one, 1. Corresponding to that, you are having Y value 40, X value 280, then 300 and 4 again 50 and 5 again 7. So x-axis will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y-axis should be 40, 80, 100, 50, and 70. So this is x is given as this value and y is given this value. So that's not correct. And it is asked to plot x comma y, no? So it will be like this is the same thing what I have told, like plot x comma y, plot show. So option B is the correct answer. Consider the two statements. Okay, Matplotlib is a 2D plotting library that helps in visualizing the figures. That's correct. That statement is obviously correct. Statement 2 means calling the plot function from Matplotlib library will automatically create the necessary figure. Is that simply calling that will create the necessary figure and access? Access also they are telling this will be created automatically. No, that is wrong. automatically we have to specify it. That is option statement A is correct and statement B is incorrect. Which of the following statements are incorrect regarding the graph in Matplotlib? Bar chart is created using bar and bar h function. That is true. Here it is asked incorrect. So line chart is created using the line function. No, line chart is created with the plot function. So here incorrect option is this one, option B. Mohit needs to create a spreadsheet document for an IT project. However, he does not have an Excel software installed on its computer. What free software he can get it? Python is a programming language. MySQL is for database. Among OpenOffice, Calc and Document. Document stands for Word. So obviously Calc. You know that the spreadsheet or the Excel is for the calculation. So OpenOffice Calc is used for the instead of Excel software, and OpenOffice is a free software or open source software, so it's freely downloadable. Now consider the following statements regarding sending emails. Okay, and sending emails, about sending emails, and statement one, write your personal information such as name, bank account number, credit card details, etc. Be respectful and use appropriate greetings such as hi, hello, dear, etc. Use emoticons as often as possible instead of text. Use suitable closing phrases such as regards, sincerely, etc. Identify the correct statements. Okay, bank details, no. You should be respectful. That means greetings as salutation with the greetings, everything has to be given. Emoticons like instead of text is not wrong, not correct. It's wrong. We will not be able, everyone will not be able to identify. And statement 4 is also correct. So option 2 and 4, statement 2 and 4, option B is the correct one. Consider the following series named color. Okay, fine. Red, green, orange, yellow, black. And this is like you want to obtain the gray output like 1, 3, 1 red, 3 orange. So color 0:4 means from 0 to 3 it will be displayed. 1, 3, 2 means what? 1. Then 1 from 1 onwards it will be displayed. 0 starting is not given till 4:2 means what? It will be displayed. This one will be the option color C. Starting value since 4 given till 3. So 0, 1. So 0 plus 2, 3. So red. This is the option C is the correct answer. Because why I will tell you. Even though this is the index is given, this is the slicing method. So it is starting memory index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's the starting value is not given. So it will start from 0. The next element is step value is given plus 2. So 0 plus 2 is 3. That is 3 orange. Then 3 plus 2 means what? It's 5 black. But here only till given till 3. Because end in a slicing end minus 1 till that only it will be counted. Which of the following acts is not considered as cyberbullying? Harassing using instant message section, that is cyberbullying. Not considered is asked in the question. Circulating rumors, that's also a cyberbullying. Posting derogatory messages on social, that's also cyberbullying. Playing online games on internet, it's not cyberbullying. What is the correct syntax to access 1 to 3 rows? Okay, you want to include both the 3 rows and first 3 columns. So loc means it will be included. So 1:3. So 1, 2, and 3 will be included. Then first 3 columns like 0. Since you know that by default it will start from 0, 0, 1, 2. So the first 3 columns. So option B is the correct answer. Which of the following is not an example of e-waste? Discarded laptops, for broken computer, non-functioning keyboards, they all are e-waste. So leftover food is not an e-waste. Difference between loc and iloc, both are labeled index, no. iloc, you know that loc is labeled index and iloc is integer position based function. So in that, loc option C is the correct answer. Write the output of the given program. Like these are two series are there. You are asked to give S1 into S2. So all these are the various indexes. Some indexes are missing, but all the indexes will be written in the ascending order of their alphabetical order, alphabets. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So checking that A is there in this one, A is not here, so it will return the NaN value. We know that while doing any mathematical operations, it will check for, it will align based on their matching indexes. If the matching indexes are found, that those operations will be performed. Otherwise, it will return a NaN value. So A is not there. For the A, the value is NaN. So first option, A is not working. It's not coming properly. It will not work. So we'll move on to option B. Option B, it is A. And the remaining things values also we will check out. So B is there, B is there. 6 into 6, you will get 36. That's correct. Then C is there, C is there. 9 into 2 is 18. That is also 18.0. Because why 0? 18.0, 36.0. But because the default data type of NaN is float 64. So NaN, we know that the series will consist of only homogeneous data. So NaN is float 64. Remaining data has to be converted into float 64. So option B is the correct answer. Which of the following columns are asked, means the command is used to delete 3 and 5 columns. So columns not mentioned 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 5 columns are there. 1, 2, 3. This is the third column index and this is the fifth column index. And so 2, 4, since column is there, you have to mention like axis equal to 1. Number 42, write the output of the given command. A stands for this value, B stands for 36, C stands for 19, 4 stands for 42. It is checking S1 greater than or equal to 30. Is 13 greater than or equal to 30? No. 36 greater than or equal to 30? Yes, true. 19 greater than or equal to 30? False. 42 greater than or equal to 30? True. So 36 and 42 corresponding to that indexes are B and 4. So option B is the correct answer. Write the output PD.series 12, 33, 46, 63. So what it will be doing, it is asking that series 1 dot sort underscore values. It will be sorted in the ascending order. Already it is in the ascending order, and that will be stored in series 2. Then series 2 dot head of. Head means what? It will return here value is not passed. By default, it will return the 5 rows, but our series having only 4 elements. So it will return what? Those elements which is available in our series. So C is the correct answer for the option. Nigida is working in an IT company. She is trying to store details of 5 employees. She has collected the data to store in different lists, but facing problem in creating the data frame. Okay, she has given the command but not getting the output. So this is okay. Import pandas as PD, employee list, namely designation, salary, data is equal to. Is this the way to store the dictionary? This is wrong. So which is the method of storing the dictionary? In the form of dictionary, how it will be stored? In the curly braces, it will open and name, key, colon, value pair. Key will be having the quotation marks. Okay. So in this, 2, B and C are the option with the curly braces. So other A and D can be skipped. Among that key, I told you key colon value means key should have a quotation mark. So option C is having the quotation mark for keys. So option C is the correct answer. Which of the following is false regarding OSS? OSS means open source software. Source code is available, true. Source code is editable, true. It can be distributed only if 10 times, false. It can be distributed any number of times. It is comes with free or nominal charge, false. Assuming the given structure, which command will be used in the given output. Okay, this is mango. Okay, you want to get in the form of a tuple. For getting the output in the form of tuple, the attribute used is shape. So when I say attribute, the brackets are missing, brackets are not needed. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 47, consider data frame, identify the output. Okay, 2 is to log means here this is the data frame record and record.log2:4. That means from second row onwards, this row onwards till 4, because log means both the values are included. From the column, I need only name. So output will be 2 Chedan, 3 Shagun, 4 Charu. So option B is the correct output. Consider the following data frame rank. You can see, and asking like a marks greater than 80. Is 90 greater than 80 true, 82 greater than 80 true, 9 greater than 80 false. So what is the option? Option A is the correct answer. Consider the two statements given below. Statement 1, missing data is used to represent is represented by NaN. That is true. NaN is equivalent to 0. That is false. So statement A is correct. Statement B is false. So which is option? Option C. Then now we are moving to section C, which is a case study question, pattern question, which consists of 6 questions, and among that you have to attempt any 5. So Miss Nandini is working in a school as an IT head. She has been assigned the task to analyze the performance of the student of class 10. She has written a snippet for maintaining student details using a data frame for all the classes, but is facing some problem with it. Help her to rectify the code so that as to obtain the desired result. Import pandas as PDs. These are the list. Okay. Data frame is created, and at the last you are getting the output like this way. If you want to add a new column with the name of the subject, so subject name should come of the column name, and choose the right command. So what is the syntax for adding a new column? Data frame object, inside the square bracket you will give the name of the column, that is equal to, and the values when we are giving, it should be equivalent to the number of rows available in your data frame. So computer is the column name. So record, inside the square bracket we will give the name of the subject. So option B is the correct answer. She wants to set all the values to zeros. She wants to set. So this way is not possible. With the help of slicing only possible. So for the slicing, these two are there, C and D. But problem is that here only 1 equal and here 2 equal. Okay. So 1 equal means for the assignment, but 2 equal is for the equality. So here we want to assign to 0. So option C is the correct answer. To delete the marks of admission number equal to 4. So for admission number is equal to 4, what is the option? Admission number is equal to 4. Admission number is equal to 104, not 4. Admission number equal to 104. Okay, it's a column value, but here the index is 3. Based on the index only, we will be able to delete for a row. So how we will delete? record dot drop 3 comma axis equal to 1, record dot drop 3 comma axis equal to 0. So these two only A or C we have to consider. Since it's a row, we want to use axis equal to 0. Option C is the correct answer. We want to get the shape and size attribute, size of the data frame. You can see size equal to the total number of items, that is number of rows into number of columns. Number of rows are 5 and number of columns are 7. So 5 into 7, 35. Shape will be in the form of tuple, that is row comma column. So option B is the correct answer. Which of the following command will change the column name Hindi to language? So record dot rename, and inside the square bracket, record dot rename, inside the bracket curly braces. How we will give old column name colon new column name. In the quotation marks you have to give the column names comma. Since it is column, we have to give axis. Here nothing is given like specified, so axis equal to 1 represent the column. So option A is the correct answer. What will be the output of the given command? That is, this is the data frame. Print record dot empty. Empty will return true or false, depends. True if all the values are empty, and otherwise it will return false. Since all the values are not empty over here, it will return the output as false. So hence comes to the end of the sample paper 2. Kindly revise very clearly, understand the concept very clearly. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. We will come with another practice paper in the coming classes. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.